Okay, big reveal. This is what replaced the SH125. Does anyone know what that brand is? Well, here we go. Here's the clue. There you go. I've gone from a 125 to, well, it says 400, but it's actually a 350 BMW. A wee bit more upmarket scooter. Okay. There's a front view of it. I've just put that box on it today. That'll be another video, of course. 30 odd horsepower. That goes alright, nice and comfy. Now, options. The only options that I got with this was what they call a comfort pack. And if you have a look on there, there's heated seat and heated grips. A little over 300 quid for that option. I thought it was actually worth the money. Okay, the back, super wide back tire for a scooter. It really is absolutely wonderful. Big plus point, scooters should all have a stainless steel exhaust, but I'd say this is a little bit bigger than your regular scooter. But one of the options I didn't go for was the multi-function dash, which has Bluetooth connectivity and all. I just went for the bog standard. Now it does have a trip computer on it, so it has all I want. Being a second bike, I don't demand so much. That's about it. It comes with lots and lots of storage. So the top box was just fitted today. It was a shad top box holder with a Givey case that I have had for a long time. So there you go. So is that a surprise? It was a surprise to me. Now, I didn't buy it outright. I bought it on a PCP deal, and throwing the other scooter in has cost me £10 per week, so £2 a week. So it's worth that. I really do think it's worth that. At the minute, there's 0% on them. But it's a nice riding scooter. So I'll give you a road test after I get it run in, and but today it's just the reveal. So a BMW comes with bi-brie master cylinders, which is a subsidiary of Brembo, and J1 brake calipers, radial calipers, ABS, traction control. So there you go. That's the height of it. That's all. The big reveal. So the guy who said it was a Forza, I've had one of those before. Lovely bike if you're considering one, but I just fancy something a wee bit more grunt. But for now, folks, Gary GSF signing off, and thanks for watching.